Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going pretty good. Me and Walter just came from Walmart, and when I got out, I was starting to feel lightheaded, so I had to sit in the car and eat a piece of a candy bar to feel a little better. I'm still lightheaded, so I don't feel like cooking, but I'm gonna fix a steak.
She gets steak, I get hamburger.
You wanted meatloaf, man.
She gets steak, I get hamburger.
Okay. I'm very deserving. So I've got a T-bone steak. So I'm going to show y'all how I season it. Right quick. Because I need to eat and sit myself down. Okay. Oops. Lower this. I really do need to buy another tripod and ring light. This thing is broke. Okay, I'll be air frying my steak in the CheFavor grill. That's what I've been using lately. And I'm using my fry pan, and I have a piece of parchment paper under it, so I don't have to wash that bottom container anymore. Setting it on air fry. I'm gonna let it preheat. Okay, yes, I put mustard on my steak. Shaking it up so that watery stuff don't come out. Okay. And today I'm using some orange pepper. Granulated onion. I still got a corner, but I did buy some more. I'm finished using this. Use some garlic powder. Some lemon pepper, just a little. Ooh, wow. Give it a nice twang. And some cayenne pepper. Yes, I put that on everything, y'all. I like it spicy. Okay. I'm gonna smush it. That's how it's looking now. Rub these seasonings in there. Then I'll put it on the air fryer fry basket. Then I'll season the other side while it's in there. I'm about to put it in here, y'all. That's how it looks on that side. Now, let me clean my hand off. That's what I need. So what's this here sauce? Okay. Oh, the mustard. That's what I hate about this air fryer. That beeping gets on my last nerve. But it's a good air fryer. Just the red pepper. Here's the garlic. Here's the onion. Here's the lemon pepper. So I got lemon pepper and orange pepper. Why are you shaking your head? And here's the orange pepper. Okay, I need some of that. What's this here sauce? Come on.
$10.
Thank you.
$10.
Using some what's this here sauce.
Should have given me the cheap one.
Nope. Oh, you should have gave me the cheap one. Okay, I'll say that when I cook your food. Okay. I'll cook your food with the cheap stuff. Ain't he cute, y'all? He said stuff low, because y'all don't hear what he be saying to me. Just as bogus.
Yeah, right.
He's very bogus.
I'm bogus.
Yeah, you bogus. Okay. Here, take this before I fall.
You better not.
Break. I said, oops.
Crazy.
Okay. It's in there looking good. I see it. Okay. Close it. I don't want it to preheat no more. So I'm gonna press preheat. It says add food. Open it. So that's what I did. I canceled the preheat. It takes about, I want a medium well. So it's gonna take about, I'll say 12 minutes and I'll check it. So I will be back. What was making meatloaf? That's what he preferred rather than steak.
I'd rather have a steak. Get out of here. Didn't have the money to get the steak. I got this.
Okay. Enjoy your meatloaf.
I'm gonna eat your steak.
Okay. You have to wait a while.
You hear that?
Yeah, they hear it.
You hear what she said?
Wait a while.
Nasty. Nasty.
It's already seasoned inside and out and you still dumping stuff.
Yeah, my African roots. I like my food well seasoned with herbs.
How you know how
and
Africans cook? You don't know.
That's my people.
Your people?
Mm-hmm.
I thought you were Indian.
That too. That too.
That's what my steak is looking like. I did flip it. So I'm going to put it on my plate. Just a minute. Thumbnail. So I'm going to cut it to see what degree of tenderness it is. I want it medium well, but well done is fine with me. There's a little pinkness to it, so that's fine. I'm gonna taste it without the sauce. I'm putting on barbecue sauce and hot sauce. So this is with no sauce. Oh, y'all got to see me. Bon appetit. Tender, juicy. I taste the citrus in it. Just a hint of citrus. Tastes good. I use orange pepper and lemon pepper. Now I'm gonna put my barbecue sauce on it. Still feel kind of lightheaded. I'm putting hot sauce on it. Who else puts hot sauce on their steak?
Nobody.
I'm gonna put some hot sauce on your meatloaf.
Wow.
Okay, now I'm gonna taste it with the barbecue sauce and hot sauce on it.
Cut me off a piece too.
I told you to wait a while.
You hear what she's saying?
That's good, y'all. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day.
Howard channel.
Okay. Bye. Bon appetit.